In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Alison Online Learning app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install your app but you can't because of this, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now the first thing you need to do is to go back and open your Google Play Store app and ensure you are logged in with your Gmail before you download and install your app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then we need to troubleshoot or check on our network settings by tapping on the profile icon here, and then if you tap, scroll down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences, and if you tap down here, look for this option, app download preference. Here, change the current setting from over Wi-Fi only to over any network, and okay. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. Then you need to go to your smartphone and troubleshoot your Google Play Store, as some of the reason why your app is experiencing this, the problem might be with Play Store. To troubleshoot Play Store, go to settings, and from settings scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store, and here it is. Now here, go to force stop and okay to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data, and here you want to clear cache, and okay, restart your smartphone now, and then go to Play Store and activate search. And now let's search for Alison. Here it is. And now if I tap on install, now you can see I'm now able to download and install Alison app on my smartphone. However, at this point, if you still encounter any challenge, then check and then see that you have enough space. If you don't have, delete or remove unused apps or files on your phone to create more space. You also want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN, as this might be the reason you can't download apps. If you have any VPN app, uninstall it before you can install or download Alison on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.